Okay, boys and girls, if you're trying to log into Readworks, this is how you do it. You log into your PS10 account. You go to your grade. You go to classwork. You go to Tuesday, because today is Tuesday. Then it says ELA classwork. Click on the classwork. View assignment, and you can click on this link. Sign into Google accounts on Readworks. Open it. Now it might ask you to log in with Google, or it might be logged in already. If it tells you to log in with Google, click log in with Google. Find your class. It says chirp chirp, chirping chirp. You can read the story. If you highlight it, you can write a note if you click this little bubble. Do highlights. You can make the text bigger. If you click this little P shape, it will put the numbers. You can and over here, if you click on this right at the very end, it's a square. You can see all the questions. Also, on the top, next to where it says passage, it says question. So click question, and then you can answer all the questions. And don't forget to press submit. Okay, good luck.